Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to Wish Wednesday. Alright guys, so you wish for songs here on Gordon Guitar and I bring them up for you on Wednesdays. That's the deal. And this time we have you Ferre games. You wished for Niall Horan's Nice to Meet Ya. Alright, so it's a brilliant song here, 4 chords only. It really has a cool vibe in this song here, and very easy to play as well. So thank you, Fairy Games, for interacting with me here on Gordon Guitar and bring up Niall Horan's Nice to Meet Ya. Let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo here, only 4 chords. So we're gonna go over them and start with the E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord is G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. C next, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is A. So that open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Alright, so it goes in that order through the entire song. We have a strumming pattern that covers 2 chords. So we're gonna look at the transition here between the first 2 chords, E to G. Alright, so part 1 for E, it will be down, 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 up. Alright, so down, 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 up. And then you switch chord to the G now from the E to G and play part 2, which is up, down, up, down. So up, down fast, a short pause, and then up, down again. So that's it. So together it will be back and forth, it will be okay, that's the rhythm of it, and you already learned the half of the song here because we're gonna apply the same principle here for C to A. So C, you're gonna play in the same way as E, so down, 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 up, the part 1, and then you go over to A and play part 2 in the same way as G, up, down, up, down. And that's it. So it goes like that, round and round, E, G, C, and A. Slowly, a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay, so that's it. You train a slow tempo like this or even slower and then gradually work your way up to the standard tempo. And yeah, that's actually Niall Horan's Nice to Meet Ya. Good choice there, Ferre Games. And yeah, thank you for being here on Gordon Guitar. And if you like this tutorial, whoever you are, if you are a Niall Horan fan or so, feel free to wish for future songs here on Gordon Guitar and also to subscribe to this channel and support me in that way. Thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.